if you are looking for a to-do application, so for that we have a good application which is Microsoft To Do, but this is not completely available for Linux, and for this we will use this TickTick ToDo. So for installing this TickTick ToDo application, open your browser and in the search box search for TickTick ToDo and hit enter. Now click on the first website, which is ticktick.com, and from here go to apps, and from here click on this download app. Okay, and now click on the download app. I have already downloaded this app, so I just cancel this application. Now open your terminal and go to your download directory. So as you can see, this is the application which is TickTickToDo.dev. So for installing this application, first copy the name and clear up the terminal. Now provide first executable permission by Ctrl+Shift+V and hit enter and provide your super user password. I'm sorry, maybe it wrong. Okay, now if I type ls-l, as you can see, it got the executable permission. Now for installing this application, clear the terminal and type sudo dpkg-i and then the installer file name and hit enter, and within couple of seconds the TickTick ToDo application will be installed in your system. So wait for few seconds. So as you can see, it's installed. Now for checking the application, go to Explorer, and here as you can see the application TickTick. So I just open this application. So as you can see, it asking me for so what we will done, we actually click on the sign up button and I fill my all the credential and click on sign up. So it will sign up for me. Click on next and click on ready to go. So this is our application which is TickTick ToDo. Okay, now from here you can see this is a calendar application where you can browse all the calendar and make your track. Okay, let's say if you want to make a simple list, so how can you make that? So for that, click on this plus icon of list, and let's say my list is let's say automata. Okay, automata.microcodes.in. so this is my, let's say, a list name, and the color is, let's say, blue. Okay, and folder is none and type is taxation. Click on save. So as you can see, the list got created, and now I can create multiple items inside this list. So let's say I click on the edit button, click on save. Now from here you can add the tags into this list. Let's say first tag is add page note and hit enter. So as you can see, the list got added. Let's say the tags 2 is convert all images into finite automata. Okay, so in this way you can add the tags, and if you complete the tags, you can click on this check button and it will be counted as completed. So in this way you can manage multiple tasks, you can create reminders, and even if you click on one task, you can add some description notes also. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next time.